How's it going, everybody? So, this is just a quick video on how I'm starting spring off early. It's still snowing outside in Northern California right now, but I have some of the plants already growing for this year's crops. That's in this tray here. There's celery and celeriac. In the McDonald's cups back there, there's tomatoes. This tub right here is full of various brassicas, broccoli, cauliflower, cabbage, and then back in there's even more tomatoes. This year going to be growing probably about 80-90 tomato plants. There's lettuces growing in this tray right here. Back there's onions, and I have some very old pepper seeds right here. Not entirely sure if they're going to take. But all it is a couple of LED grow lights and planters all zip tied onto a metal frame. I use a water bottle with a bunch of holes poked in the top, and I just use that to gently sprinkle water on some of these more open trays. And for these honeycomb trays, there's a water reservoir in the bottom, so I fill that up. One trick to that, though, is leave one cell empty. That way you have a place to pour in water. But peppers, tomatoes, onions, lettuces, celery, and I've got a gooseberry that's going to go in the ground, and a loganberry, which is also going to go in the ground. All that for this year. You know, but yeah, still snow outside. You could start this now and inside if you're in a northern climate. Get all your plants started. Have a nice garden for the year. If you like the videos that I've been making and you'd like to see more, consider sharing, commenting, and subscribing. If you want to help out this channel directly, there's a PayPal link down in the description. If you'd like to see what I do on a more regular basis, there's also an Instagram link down in the description. Y'all have fun. Bye.